Hey there, it's Sarah. Have you ever wondered why younger women might be drawn to older men like you? Today, we're going to explore the masculine secrets that make you particularly appealing to the younger crowd. By the end of this video, you'll understand what makes your age an asset in attracting younger women. Watch for our bonus tip at the end of the video, which ties all these traits together beautifully. It's a vital piece of advice for leveraging your masculine appeal, enhancing how you connect with younger women. Stay tuned for it. Before we go on, if you're curious about improving your dating skills, why not book a free 60-minute strategy call? Just click the link below. Ready to see how these qualities set you apart? Let's get into the details and uncover these appealing masculine secrets. 1. Confidence and emotional stability. One standout trait that older men like you have is confidence. And this isn't about being loud or flashy. It's that assured, quiet confidence that speaks volumes without saying much. It's in the way you walk into a room, make decisions without hesitating, and calmly handle challenging situations. This kind of confidence is magnetic, especially to younger women who are often in the more tumultuous phase of their lives. They're navigating early careers, personal identity issues, and numerous social dynamics. Your stability in knowing who you are and what you want provides a comforting contrast to their daily uncertainty. Moreover, emotional stability, another significant asset, complements your confidence. While younger guys might still react impulsively or let emotions steer their decisions, your years have taught you to take a breath, think, and then act. This doesn't just make life smoother for you, it makes you a beacon of safety to younger women. They see in you a partner who won't crumble under pressure but will instead stand strong beside them. These qualities make you not just attractive but deeply reassuring. Younger women often look for a partner who can be their rock, offering them the security and maturity they crave as they figure out the rest of their lives. So while you might just be being yourself, know that your self-assurance and emotional steadiness are key reasons you're seen as appealing. 2. Life experience and wisdom. Having a wealth of life experiences isn't just about having a collection of interesting stories to tell. It's about the wisdom and insights that come with those experiences. As an older man, you bring to the table a deep well of knowledge from both your successes and your setbacks. This wisdom is incredibly attractive to younger women, who often face a world filled with uncertainty and relentless change. They appreciate someone who has navigated complex life challenges and can offer guidance and a seasoned perspective that peers their own age simply can't match. Your ability to offer advice based on real-world experiences or to provide a calming, informed perspective during turbulent times is invaluable. It's not just about what you've done or where you've been. It's about what you've learned along the way and how you apply that knowledge in everyday life. Younger women often look for a partner who can not only keep up with them, but also inspire them and offer insights they would not have considered themselves. Moreover, your experience can help foster a sense of adventure in the relationship. You're likely to have a refined taste for the things that truly matter, whether that's a quiet evening in a quality restaurant, a well-planned trip abroad, or simply a night spent discussing life's deeper questions. This doesn't just make life exciting, it also builds a connection based on mutual growth and discovery. 3. Financial stability. Financial stability is more than just a number in the bank. It's a significant factor in attraction, particularly for younger women looking at older men. Let's face it, financial stability often equates to a more comfortable and secure lifestyle, which can be very appealing. It's not just about affording luxuries, it's about the peace of mind that comes with not having to live paycheck to paycheck. This kind of security is something you've worked hard to achieve, and it's something that can make you incredibly attractive to someone who is still establishing themselves. For younger women, your ability to handle financial matters with acumen and foresight can be a major draw. It means you're not just a partner, you're a safe harbor in the often tumultuous seas of life. You bring to the relationship a sense of security that allows her to focus more on personal growth and less on surviving the next rent cycle. This doesn't imply a purely materialistic dynamic. Rather, it's about the quality of life and the opportunities that financial wellness can afford, like traveling, experiencing fine dining, enjoying the arts, and planning for a future without financial strains. Your financial stability can also inspire confidence and provide a platform for building a shared vision of the future. It's about creating a partnership where both of you can dream bigger, knowing that the dreams are backed by the means to make them reality. This is not just attractive, it's a magnet for someone looking for a serious, stable relationship. 4. Maturity in handling relationships. When it comes to relationships, the value of maturity cannot be overstated. As an older man, you likely have a significant advantage here. You've seen it all, from fleeting romances to deep, lasting partnerships. This experience translates into a more patient, less dramatic approach when dealing with relationship issues, which is a breath of fresh air for women who might be used to the chaos that often comes with dating men their own age. Younger women are often drawn to this calm demeanor. They appreciate the fact that you won't overreact to small issues or jump to conclusions. Instead, you take the time to listen, understand, and respond thoughtfully. This maturity in handling situations means arguments that might have blown up into deal breakers with less experienced partners are instead navigated with wisdom and care. This isn't just about avoiding drama. It's about creating a supportive, understanding environment where a relationship can thrive. For a younger woman, your approach means stability, a rare commodity in today's fast-paced, often superficial dating world. They value the fact that you can be their emotional anchor, providing a level of depth and stability that partners their own age might not be able to offer. Thus, your experience with relationships, equipped with patience and a drama-free attitude, makes you not only a partner, but a sanctuary. For someone looking to grow and possibly build a future, these qualities make you an incredibly appealing choice. Appreciating the advice? If you want to dive deeper, our free 60-minute strategy call is perfect for those ready to change their dating dynamics. Learn powerful strategies to meet more women and build your confidence. Secure your spot via the link in the pinned comment. 5. Genuine companionship and deeper connections. Contrary to some stereotypes, many older men aren't just seeking physical attractiveness in relationships. They're looking for genuine companionship and the opportunity to forge deeper connections. It's not about surface-level interactions. It's about finding someone with whom you can share your experiences, thoughts, and emotions on a profound level. As an older man, you likely value and prioritize these deeper, more substantive interactions. This desire for a meaningful connection resonates with younger women who are eager to explore beyond casual dating and are looking for a partner who can offer both wisdom and emotional depth. They appreciate that you're interested in who they are as a person, what drives them, their dreams and their fears, far beyond the initial attraction. This drive for a deeper connection often leads to more fulfilling, enduring relationships. Your approach to dating includes an appreciation for the intricacies of someone's character, an understanding of the importance of shared values, and the patience to build a strong emotional foundation. These are qualities that not only make a relationship more likely to last, but also more enriching for both partners involved. Your pursuit of genuine companionship and the ability to connect on a deeper level makes you particularly appealing to someone younger who might be craving the kind of stability and depth that comes with age and experience. This isn't just beneficial for making a relationship last, it's crucial for making it meaningful. 6. Personal growth and overcoming stereotypes. Engaging with an older partner can shatter many of the stereotypes and bring about personal growth in ways that might surprise you. Far from the cliched views that such relationships are superficial, the truth is they can be catalysts for development and learning. When you, as an older man, partner with someone younger, you're not just sharing your life experiences. You're also offering a perspective that can challenge and expand your partner's worldview. This kind of relationship offers a unique opportunity for younger women to learn from someone who has navigated various life stages and challenges. The insights you provide can help her make more informed decisions, think critically about her own life path, and mature more rapidly than her peers might. This isn't about teaching or lecturing. It's about sharing life lessons in a way that's mutually enriching. Moreover, by defying the common stereotypes associated with age gap relationships, you both grow. You prove that these partnerships are about more than age. They're about mutual respect, love, and support. This realization can be incredibly empowering for both of you, as it encourages you to define your relationship on your terms, rather than those imposed by society. Thus, the personal growth fostered in these relationships isn't one-sided. It's a dynamic two-way street. You might find that your younger partner's energy and fresh perspectives invigorate your own approach to life, encouraging you to explore new interests or reconsider old ones. This can lead to a more vibrant, purposeful stage of life for you as well. Bonus tip: the art of making her feel special. A truly effective way to deepen attraction is mastering the art of making a woman feel special and cherished. This goes beyond simple compliments or gifts. It's about making her feel truly seen and appreciated, both in public and in private settings. When you acknowledge her qualities, achievements, or the effort she puts into the relationship openly, it not only boosts her self-esteem, but also solidifies her trust and affection for you. In public, something as simple as introducing her with pride to colleagues or friends, holding the door open for her, or attentively listening and responding to her during conversations can make her feel valued and respected. These actions signal to her and to others that she holds a special place in your life, which can greatly enhance how she views the relationship and herself within it. Privately, it's important to focus on deeper affirmations of her unique qualities. Express appreciation for her insights, her kindness, or her sense of humor in ways that show you pay attention to who she is, not just what she does. For instance, after a long day, you might say how much you value her perspective or how her presence makes everything better. It's these personal, heartfelt acknowledgments that truly make someone feel special. This approach doesn't just make her feel good, it creates a deeper bond between you. When a woman feels genuinely appreciated, she is more likely to see the relationship as valuable and fulfilling. This bonus tip is about enriching your connection by ensuring she feels uniquely significant in your life. So now you know the masculine secrets that make her chase you. What's next for you? Discover how younger women signal older men to make a move, or learn what will make women think about you nonstop. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more.